We've already talked on the channel about several organs of our body and the importance of keeping them healthy, but among them all, we have not made a video about this one, the pancreas. This organ has an important role in the endocrine system. It's responsible for producing insulin and in the process of food digestion because it is the organ that produces digestive enzymes. Located behind the stomach in the upper abdomen, its function is to help with digestion of fats and carbohydrates that we ingest using the pancreatic juice. These secretions are essential for the proper digestion and processing of food. Any failure in this process will cause poor digestion and, consequently, poor absorption of nutrients. Did you know that some diseases cause the pancreas to shrink or even lose its ability to produce digestive enzymes and hormones? Cystic fibrosis, diabetes, pancreatitis, and cancer may be caused by insufficiency, inflammation, or malfunction of the pancreas. Today we're going to talk about pancreatitis. Pancreatitis can be acute or chronic. Some cases may disappear without treatment, but severe cases can cause life-threatening complications. Acute pancreatitis occurs when the pancreatic duct is obstructed by gallstones of the gallbladder. Its signs are abdominal pain, nausea, fever, and vomiting. Chronic pancreatitis occurs when they progressively destroy the gland cells. Its symptoms are intense abdominal pain, unintended weight loss, greasy and smelly feces. If you have any of these symptoms, talk to a physician immediately. Often the pain of pancreatitis is described as intense pain in the middle of the abdomen, as if it were a strip which radiates to the back, insufferably, and may even lead to the emergency room. According to the gastroenterologists, there is a cure for pancreatitis if treated early and adequately. Treatment usually requires intravenous fluids, antibiotics, and analgesics, as well as other medical procedures. However, you can try some natural remedies like apple cider vinegar along with the medical treatment to relieve pain and discomfort, for example. Apple cider vinegar is rich in anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to reduce abdominal pain and the thickness of the bile, thus avoiding the formation of stones in the gallbladder. In addition, it helps you to lose weight, which can help in the treatment of pancreatitis. In this case, the recommendation is to mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and honey. Drink this twice a day. To relieve severe pain, apply a hot compress to the abdomen. The heat of the compress helps to relax the muscles of the abdomen, reducing the pain, and often it can be useful to relieve inflammation. Alternatively, you can prepare a bag with hot water. Put it on the sore area for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat if needed. If you wish to relieve the pain even more, enjoy a warm bath for 15 to 20 minutes twice a day. After starting the treatment, take care of your recovery. Eliminate alcohol and cigarettes from your life. Change your diet. Opt for low-fat foods. Drink more fluids. Pancreatitis can cause dehydration, so it is important to drink more water throughout the day. In addition, you can maintain a healthy weight by having a balanced diet and practicing regular exercise. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.